Good morning, dear students. How are you? All are fine. Have you done your homework? In previous class, what we discussed, we started a new lesson or new chapter. Is it? What is the chapter name? Fraction and decimal. Is it? Yes. In fraction, what type of fractions are there? Proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. What do you mean by proper fraction? Proper fraction means the numerator is small and denominator is big. Is it? What is mean by improper fraction? Improper fraction means numerator is big and denominator is small. And what is mean by mixed fraction? What is mean by mixed fraction? That is what is that is mixed fraction means quotient into remainder by divisor. Is it? Yes. That is p by 2 is a fraction. Is it? P by 2 is a fraction. Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. Is it? Any doubt from that section? Yes. In previous class we are starting with example 2 and today we are going to discuss about example 3. Is it? That is example 3 is what? Example 3 means Samira purchased 3 and 1 by 2 kilo apples and 4 and 3 by 4 kilos oranges. What is the total weight of fruits purchased by her? We want to find the total weight of fruits. Samira going to market and she bought or buy two types of fruits, orange and apples. Apples means 3 and 1 by 2 kilos. 3 and 1 by 2 kilos. 3 and 1 by 2 kilos. And orange what? 4 and is it 4 and 3 by 4 kilos. We want to know or we want to find the total weight of fruits. That is Samira buy or Samira purchase the total weight of fruits. That is here we know that apple is 3 and 1 by 2 kilo and orange is 4 and 3 by 4 kilos. Is it? Any doubt? This is according to question. We didn't start our answer. When we starting with the answer is Samira purchased apple equal to 3 and 1 by 2 kilo. That is this is a mixed fraction. Is it? This is a mixed fraction. That is here is quotient, this is remainder and this is divisor. We are going to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Only the mixed fraction is represented by improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is big and denominator is small. That is here is 3 into 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2. That is 7 by 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 we get 7. 3 into 2 means 6 and plus 1 we get 7 and by 2. And here is that is actually Samira how many kilos apple is purchased? 7 by 2 kilo is purchased. Apple 7 by 2 is purchased. Is it? Yes. And orange is 4 and 3 by 4 kilo is what? 4 and 3 by 4 kilo is means 4 into 4 plus 3 whole divided by 4. That is 90 by 4. 90 by 4. That is this is a mixed fraction. We want to convert it into improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is big, denominator is small. Numerator means when we separate by numerator and denominator, separate by a line, the upper part is numerator and lower part is denominator. Upper part is numerator and lower part is denominator. Is it? Yes. Any doubt? Okay. That is how many kilo orange Samira purchased? That is actually she purchased 19 by 4 kilos. 19 by 4 kilos purchased. That is what is our question? We want to find the total weight of Samira purchased apple and orange together. That is total weight, or what is total weight is, that is total weight is equal to what we can write here, what that is we want to take the sum of these kilos, that is apple and orange kilos, that is 7 by 2 plus 19 by 4. Here we want to take the LCM, that is we want to convert in same denominator or common denominator. So for that I take 2, 4, that is common is 2 or common factor is 2. So I can write 1 and 2. Is it? 1 into 2 we get 2 and 2 into 2 we get 4. That is LCM equal to 2 into 1 into 2. That is 4. LCM is 4. LCM is 4. So we want to change the denominator as LCM. That is here is denominator is 2. So we want to change. That is we want to change as LCM. That is LCM is 4. That is 2 into 2 we get 4. So I take 2 into 2. When we take an operation on denominator, the same operation is take in numerator. Then the fraction is equal. Otherwise, that is wrong. When we take a operation in numerator or denominator, the same process or same method or same operation is take place another denominator or numerator. So I take here into 2 or multiplication multiplied by 2. Denominator is multiplied by 2. So also multiplied by 2 in numerator. 2 in numerator. Is it? Is it correct? Yes. Here is 4 same as LCM. So no change. So 4 upon 90. That is here we get 14 by 4 plus 19 by 4. That is here we can see what we can see here is 14 by 4 and 19 by 4. So we can write 14 plus 19 whole divided by 4. That is common denominator or same denominator. So we can write like this. 14 plus 90. That is we get 33 by 4. 33 by 4. That is 33 by 4. We can find the mixed fraction. 33 by 4 is a improper fraction. So we can convert into mixed fraction. That is 33 by 4. That is 8 times is in 4 is occupied for existing. That is 8 and 1 by 4. 8 and 1 by 4 kilos. That is answer is 8 and 1 by 4 kilos. Total weight of fruits is total weight equal to what we get 8 and 1 by 4 kilos. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, good. That is first we take apple. What is apple? Apple's kilos 3 and 1 by 2. That means 7 by 2 kilos. 7 by 2 kilos. And orange 4 and 3 by 4. That means 19 by 4 kilos. 19 by 4 kilos. And total weight equal to, we add these 2 kilos, then we get total weight. That is total weight of Samira purchased fruits equal to 7 by 2 plus 19 by 4. That is equal to 7 into 2 by 2, because here 7 into 2, why I take, what is the reason? Reason is LCM is 4, so we want to convert denominator as into LCM, so here is 2, that is 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 2 is 4 and 7 into 2 plus there is no change because same as LCM 19 by 4 and next step 14 by 4 plus 19 by 4 and we can write 14 plus 19 whole divided by 4, that is 33 by 4, 33 by 4, that is 8 and 1 by 4 kilograms, 8 and 1 by 4 kilograms. This is the answer. And next one is example 3. Example 3. Sorry, example 4. That is, what is the example 4? I read. Suman studied for 5 and 2 by 3 hours daily. She devotes 2 and 4 by hours of her time for science and mathematics. How much time does she devote for other subjects? Suman is a student and she studied 5 and total time studied. He or she. Here the question is how much time does she devotes her other subjects. That is, she total time study. She or her total time studying, that is her total time is 5 and 2 by 3. 5 and 2 by 3. 5 and 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. Is it? Is it? Yes. It is a mixed fraction. That is, we want to convert into improper fraction. That is 5 into 3 plus 2 whole divided by 3. That is 17 by 2. 17 by 2. That is 5 into 3 means 15. 15 plus 2, that is 17 by, here is not 2, here is 3. Because here is denominator is 3. And he devotes time for maths or science subject. Time for science subject. That is equal to what? 2 and 4 by 5. 2 and 4 by 5. That is, what is the answer? This is also a mixed fraction that we get 2 into 5 minus 4 whole divided by 5. That is, we get 14 by 5. Is it 14 by 5 hours? This is 3, this is 5, this is 14 hours. That is, time for using science subject, time for studying science subject is 14 by hours. What we want to find? We want to find the time for other subject, studying other subject. That is, time for other subject. Subject equal to what we can write. This is the total time and this time is used for science subject. Then we take the difference, then we get what we get the answer. Is it? This is the total time. That is, Suma is total time used for studying, that is 17 by 3 hours, and time for science is 14 by 5 hours. Then that when we take this difference, then we get the balance time is using for other subject. that is 17 by 3 minus 14 by 5, that is, when we take LCM, we want to take the LCM. What is the LCM? LCM is 3, 5, common factor is 1, 3, 5, that is 1 into 3 into 5, 50. LCM equal to 1 into 3 into 5, that is 50. That is what we can write. What we can write? Here we can write what? That is, here we want to change the denominator 3 into 3 as 15, that is 3 into 5, that is 17 into 5 minus 14 by 5, 5 into 3, 14 into 3. That is next step, 15 upon what we get when we multiply 17 into 5, we get 85. Is it 85? And what we get next, minus, we get 15 upon what we get 12, 4 to 3, 12, remainder is 1 and 42, 42, 50. That is next step. What is the next step? What is the next step? Next step is, here is the same denominator, so we can write 15 upon 85 minus 42, 85 minus 42, that is what we get. What we get? What is the answer? 43. Is it? Is it 43? That is 43 by 50 nowadays. When we take the difference, that is, we want to move or convert. This is a improper fraction. Then we write proper fraction. We write, when we seeing a improper fraction, then we write the mixed fraction. When we get a fraction, then you must write one thing in the form of proper or mixed. We didn't write improper. When we get a improper fraction, then we must convert it into mixed fraction. So we can convert, that is 43, 15, 2, 13. That is, answer is what we get? 13. That is, we get 2 and 13 by 15 aways. 2 and 13 by 15 aways. That is the answer. 2 and 13 by 15 aways. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? That is, I take total type 5 into 2 by 3, and that is 5 into 3 plus 2 all divided by 3, that is 17 by 3 covers she total study. That is, time used for science subjects, for studying science subject, 2 and 4 by 5, that is 2 into 5 plus 4 all divided by 5, that is, we can write 14 by 5, that is 2 into 5 means 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 by 5 hours. And time for the other subject, for the time for the other subject, that is equal to 17 by 3 minus 14 by 5. Then we get the LCM as 15. So we convert the denominator as 15. Then we get 85 minus 15 minus 42 by 15. Next step, 85 minus 42 all divided by 15 is, that is, next step is 43 by 15 hours. And that is when we converted improper fraction into mixed fraction, that is, we get 2 and 13 by 15 hours. Is it? Yes. That is, next is we are going to discuss about exercise 2.1. exercise 2.1. That is first question is solve 2 minus 3 by 5. First question, first part is 2 minus 3 by 5. 2 minus 3 by 5. We want to find 2 minus 3 by 5. What is the answer? Anyone can say? Any idea? 2 is a fraction. Yes, good. 2 is a fraction because we can write 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. That is 2 by 1 means 2. 2 is a fraction. That is all natural numbers are fraction. Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. are fractions. That is here what is LCM? Here what is LCM? Here what? When we take 5 or we want to take this into 5 or we want to take or convert 5. Is it? That is here we can write 1 into 5, 2 into 5 minus 3 by 5. Is it same for this? Is it same for this? Is it same for this? Yes. That is 10 by 5 minus 10 by 5 minus 3 by 5. That is we can write 10 minus 3 by 5. 10 minus 3 by 5. That is next step. What is the answer? 7 by 5. That is here is 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. That is you can change 2 into 5 or divided by 1 into 5 because here why I multiplied 5 by 5 because we want to convert this denominator as 5. Is it? Yes. So we can write 2 into 5 is 10. That is 10 by 5 minus 3 by 5. That is next step is 10 minus 3 by 5. That is 10 minus 3 means 7. That is 7 by 5. This is a improper fraction. So we want to change or convert into mixed fraction. That is 1 and 2 by 5. 1 and 2 by 5 because when we divide 7 by 5 it is 1 5 1 and 2 by 5. That is the answer. Is it? 1 and 2 by 5. That is the answer. Is it? Any doubt? Any doubt? That is next one is next question is 4 plus 7 by 8. 4 plus 7 by 8. 4 plus 7 by 8. Is it a fraction? 4 plus 7 by 8. 4 is a fraction. 4 is a fraction. Is it? Yes. Then that is we can write 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. Is it? Yes. That is next step. What we want to do? What is the next step? Anyone can say? That is next step is we want to convert the denominator as same. So here is 1. We want to make as 8. Is it? That is what we want to make denominator as 8 because here is the denominator is 1. So we want to convert 1 as 8 because 1 is common factor for all integers, all numbers. Is it? So here the LCM is 8. So we want to take or convert the denominator as 8. Here the LCM is 8. So 1 into 8 whole divided upon 4 into 8. That is 4 into 8 by 1 into 8 plus 7 by 8. That is 32 by 8 plus 7 by 8. That is 32 plus 7 whole divided by 8. Whole divided by 8. That is, next step is 39 by 8. 39 by 8. That is, we can write what we can write. We want to convert it into mixed fraction. That is 4 into 7. 4 and 7 by 8. 4 and 7 by 8. That is, when we divide 39 by 8, that is, we get 4 times, that is 32, that is remainder is 7. So quotient, remainder, divisor. Quotient, remainder, divisor. Is it? That is, the answer is 4 and 7 by 8. 4 and 7 by 8. That is the answer. And next one is what? Next one is, third one is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Then what is the answer? Here we want to take what we take. Here we want to take LCM, that is 5, 7, that is 1 is common factor, so 5, 7, that is 1 into 5 into 7, that is 35, that is 35. So what is the answer? Here we want to convert the denominator as LCM, that is here 5, so 5 into 7. 3 into 7, that is plus 7 into 5 upon 2 into 5. That is what we get. Here is 21 by 35 plus 10 by 35. Is it? That is next step what we get. 21 plus 10 by 35. That is, what is 31 by 35. 31 by 35. That is, here 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. We take first we take LCM of the denominators and we get what we get. 35 as LCM. So we want to convert the denominator as LCM. That is here 5. So when we multiply 5 into 7, then we get 35. So 5 into 7 upon 3 into 7 plus 7 into 5 upon 2 into 5. That is 21 by 35 plus 10 by 35. Then we get 21. 3 into 7 means 21 and 2 into 5 means 10. 21 plus 10 all divided by 35. That is 31 by 35. Is it 31 by 35? That is the answer. Here we didn't convert it into mixed fraction. Why? Anyone can say? Here we didn't convert this fraction into mixed fraction. Because why? What is the reason? What is the reason? Here this is a proper fraction. So we can didn't convert into mixed fraction. This is a proper fraction, so we can't convert this into mixed fraction. Only improper fraction can convert it to mixed fraction. Okay? Any doubt? Okay. Next one is, what is the next one? Fourth one is 9 by 11 minus 4 by 50. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 50. So here we want to take the LCM. What is the LCM? What is the LCM? Then we want to take LCM. One and 165. That is, we want to convert this denominator into 165. That is 11 to 15 minus 4 into 11, 15 into 11. That is what we here will. That is when we multiply 9, that is then we get 135, and here is 165 minus, and here is what we get 44, and what we get 165. That is what 135 minus 44 4 divided by what we get 165. 165. That is, what is the answer? What is the answer? When we subtracting 135 by 44, we get 1. Here is 91. That is, answer is 91 by 160. That is the difference of 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Answer is, or solution is 91 by 165. That is, here I take 11 and 15. So we take LCM. LCM is 165 because here 11 and 15 have no common factor. Only 1 is the common factor. So 1 into 11 into 15, then we get 165. That is, we want to change the denominator as LCM. So 11 into 15 we get 165. So 11 into 15. When we take a operation numerator or denominator, we take a operation on denominator, then the same process is also taken in numerator. That is 9 into 15 minus 15 into 11 upon 4 into 11. That is, we get 135 by 165 minus 44 by 165, and next one is 135 minus 44 whole divided by what? 165. That is, the answer is 91 by 165. And next one is fifth one. Fifth one is 7 by 10, 2 by 5, and 3 by 2. We want to find the sum of 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Then we want to take, first we want to take LCM, least common multiple. That is least common multiple of denominators, that is 10, 5, 2. Here we can see the 5 is common factor. So we can write 5 here. So here is 2 and here is 1, and normally we write 2. That is, next one is, here is 2, and then common factor is 2, so here is we can write 1, here is also 1 and 1. Is it? Yes. That is LCM equal to 5 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 1. This is the complete LCM. That is, we get 10 into 1, 10 into 1, 10 into 1, 10. That is 10. This is the least common multiple of these numbers. 10, 5, 2. Is it? Yes. Next, we want to take the denominator as LCM or convert the denominator as LCM. So that is here is already 10. So no change there. That is equal to 7 by 10 plus, here is the denominator is 5. Think which number is multiplied to 5, then we get 10. Which number is, that is 5 into which number, 2. 2 is, then we get 10, so 5 into 2. When we operate a operation in denominator, then same operation is done in numerator. Otherwise it is wrong. When you multiply or divide in denominator, then same process in numerator. Otherwise the fraction is not equal. Okay. Any doubt? Only in the case of multiplication and division, not addition and subtraction. Only in the case of multiplication and division. Then next one is what? 3 by 2. That is, which number is multiplied to 2, then we get product as 10. Which number? That is 2 into 5. Is it? Yes, 2 into 5. Then we also multiply 5 in numerator. That is, here we can write 7 by 10 plus 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 15 by 10. Is it? That is 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 5, 15. Here the denominator is same, so we can add numerator. That is 7 by 4, 7 plus 4 plus 15, 4 divided by 10. Then what we get? That is 7 plus 4 we get 11. 7 plus 4 we get 11. 11 plus 15 we get what? We get 26. That is the last answer is 26 by 10. Here is a proper fraction or improper fraction. This is a improper fraction because here the numerator is big and denominator is small. So this is a improper fraction. So we want to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. That is 26 divided by 10. 26 divided by 10. That is, in 26, 2 times 10 is exists. That is 2 into 10 is 20. That is, we get 6. That is, we can write 2 and 6 by 10. Answer is 2 and 6 by 10. This is the answer. Is it? Any doubt? That is, this is fifth one solution, and 6 and 7 are your homework. For your homework, page number is 31. The 6 and 7 are homework. The next question is, second question is, arrange the following in descending order. Arrange the following in descending order. First one is 2 by 9, 2 by 9, and second one is 2 by 3, and third one is 8 by 21. This is the question. We want to find the, or we want to arrange these in descending order. Descending order means big to small. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. That is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it? And ascending order means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Is it? Yes. We want to arrange in descending order. That is, which one is big? For that, we want to make the denominator is same. That is, the denominator same processing, we take the LCM. That is here 9, 3, 21. That is, here is 3 is common. That is 3, 1, 7. Here is no. Next, 1 is common factor. 3, 1, 7. That is LCM is 3 into 1 into 3 into 1, 7. 3 into 1 into 3 into 1 into 7. What we get? That is 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 1, 9. And 9 into 7 means 63. Is it? 63. That is LCM is 63. We want to convert this into 63. That is 9 into 7. What we get? 63. So 2 into 7. The same process is exists. And 3 into 21. Which number we want? We can find by, here is the denominator is 3 and LCM is 64. That is 64 divided by 3. That is 2, 6, 0, 3, 1, 0. That is 21. That is 3 into 21 upon 2 into 21. And here is 21. We can divide 63 by 21. 63 divided by 21, we get 3. That is 21 into 3. That is 8 into 3. Then we get here is 63 upon 14. And here is what we get. 63 upon what we get? What we get? 21 into 2. 21 into 2. What we get? 42. And here is 24 divided by 63. Here is which is big. Which is big? That is 42 by 63. Next one. Next is after withdrawing this, which is big. Which is big? Which is big? 24 or 14? 24 or 14? 24. 24 by 60. And at last 14 by 60. That is, this is the descending order. This is the descending order. That means 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. That is, this is corresponding to 2 by 3. And next one 24 by 63. That is corresponding to 8 by 21 and 2 by 9. This is the descending. This is the descending order. This is the answer for that. And second one is for your homework. The second question, second part is for your homework. Please write in your notebook. Write your homework in your notebook and find the solutions and stay safe and study well. I wish you a good day. Thank you.